Breaking snail is one of the difficult things I have ever thought of in my life doing. In fact, this time around, I just want to experience it once again. It's been long I break snail. Hey, come and see me breaking snail. It was all fun. That day my mom was like, why didn't you give them this thing in the market so that they would use pin and bring it out? But I just wanted to do it myself. And here I am breaking snail that I want to use and cook soup. Here in the pan, I have lime and the snail. You can use lime to wash the snail, you can use alum, you can use gari. But who use gari this day? You never see gari where you wash up now to use and wash snail. I beg, lime is manageable, in fact. So I'm just going to break them and use my hand to support or push them out of the shell. And you have to be very, very careful because this thing can cut your hand if you are not careful. They are very, very sharp. So I went ahead and bring all of them out of the shell, and now I am cutting the lime. That knife was not really sharp at all, so I was struggling to cut the lime, but by the way, everything was cut. Here I am rinsing it with water, but mom told me that water in it will not help me to clean the snail, so I have to throw the water away, clean it with lime. And upstairs here I am just scraping the back. I don't know why I'm scraping the back. Please let me know in the comment section, is it necessary to scrape the back? I don't think so. So after that, because the snail was big, I just have to split them in two. This is the dirt I got from them. Ouch. So now I'm just going to split them in two so that everybody will enjoy it. Giving one person snail in this democratic time. Hey, it's not fair. We learn to share. So this is how I split them in two. Cleaning was not here. I cleaned the hell out of this snail. When I mean the hair, every nonsense. I remove it. My mom was just laughing at me. And here is the hot water. I've boiled it. I will gently take it to the sink and still pour it inside the snail to make sure that anything slime is gone and gone forever. And I use lemon more than twice in cleaning this. Well, that is the only way I can eat it. If not, it's difficult to. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section. How would you clean this snail if it is you? In the pot here, I have goat meat. And I will be putting some peppers in it. This is not the one I will be pounding. And now I will add the snail inside the meat. Next, I will go ahead. Where am I going? Taking a leave for some time for washing snail for a long time. And now I will be adding seasoning cubes. I will add salt and I'll go ahead and add the onions. Now we are going to stir it very well to combine, and I will put it in the gas to cook. Sorry, did I say that I use goat meat? No, I did not use goat meat. I used the chicken. That is what I use for this Ogbono soup. So I'll place it and allow it to continue cooking. And while it is cooking, I will go ahead and wash the fish that we'll be using. I am using asa. Asa, that was the fish I showed you, if you remember, in my unboxing video, that I don't know about it, but they say it's good, and it was really good. And this asa, once we pour it hot water, the skin was looking somehow. I throw it and ran away, went and called my mommy. Are you sure that this thing is fish? Come and see how the skin is looking. My daughter said, Mommy, I am not eating. Don't put fish or meat for me. It was not a joke. She did not eat it. The drama was so much in the kitchen. No be small thing. So I carefully washed. I even tried to remove some of the skin. Mommy was like, don't do that. Nothing is wrong with that fish. It is normal that when you pour it hot water, it will be looking like that. And this is the chicken. It have released its own juice because I didn't add water. So I'm going to add water now to the chicken and allow it to continue cooking. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch Oma's video or Oma's test today. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and give it a share. Share it out if you can. I've also thoroughly washed the fish and they are looking very nice, but they are mush. Two of them were really mush, so I'm not actually going to put all of them. I will leave some. I think I used the remaining one to add in one Ogbono rice that I cooked that same day. I'll give them a stir and allow it to continue cooking. Next is the pepper and crayfish that I used to cook this Ogbono soup. I've already finished pounding them. Yeah, I pound them very well. I enjoyed pounding while at home. I didn't really use anything electric blender in all the cookies that I did while on this holiday, and it was fun. Yeah, back to the pot. Let us shake. At this time, this chicken is well cooked. At this point, I'll go ahead and add the grounded crayfish and habanero pepper. I'll be taking this one out because it was mush. Yes, I will take them out. Add oil. Yes, this my lovely oil. Stir it and allow it to bring to boil a little before you go ahead and add the ogbono. See, this ogbono, you can add the oil and put them inside the pot and allow them to melt itself. It is a good idea. Or you can pour it in. For me, I have wasted almost all the time in breaking and washing snail, and I was really satisfied in doing this. The next thing I will do is to add your ogbono. I added it like that. There is no sin committed if you add it like this. You can do it either way. Just that if the lump ever form when you are adding it like this, you are going to do what? You are going to bring it out and use your spoon, dissolve it and put it back in the pot. So I use bitter leaf for this ogbono soup. Have you tried using bitter leaf to cook ogbono soup? You will definitely like it. And the way my mom washed it, it was not like we are using it to cook the soup or cocoyam soup. No, he washed it in a way that it will be tiny in the soup. This is it. Everything is giving. I didn't show when I add okporoko to this soup. I also add okporoko. So the way it came out, the form, the texture was just perfect. Yeah, and that is it. We came to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this soup. I will see you in my next video, and watch out for a mukbang.